I'm Hassan. I would like to show you how we prepare the traditional Moroccan coffee, which is the spiced Moroccan coffee, and this is my preferred coffee, and this is typically prepared at home. So we need to go to a spice shop and we can ask for all this variety of different spices. We need cinnamon sticks. We need ginger. We need nutmeg. See? These are husks from the nutmeg. Okay, from the nut. And we need some herbs like thyme, dry thyme, anise seeds, cloves, some cloves. Okay, we need also cardamom, few seeds of cardamom, cloves, few cloves, white and black pepper, and star anise. So it looks like a star, like the fish star. See, star anise. This coffee is very aromatic, and we need to ground all this variety of spices and herbs. So we need black coffee, 2 big spoons. I'm going to prepare 2 cups of coffee. This is for 2 cups of coffee. So we need 2 spoons, big spoons of coffee. And I need a coffee spoon of this mixture of spices, grounded of course. Like this. Coffee spoon, this. And I have to mix everything. I'm going to prepare this traditional coffee in a very easy coffee boiler, very practical. But you can also boil this in a cooking pan, and then you need to filter. So here it is. So here, water. I have to fill this for water. This is for 2 cups of coffee. And then I have to put this mixture here. So this was on the fire for about 6 minutes. When you hear the bubbling, it's done. So we serve it in these sorts of glasses, not big cups, but these are the right glasses for the spiced Moroccan coffee. Okay. We don't fill the cups. We can add sugar, but personally I don't take sugar in my coffee. Oh, it's very, very aromatic, very delicious. Oh, it's guaranteed, no sleep. So welcome to Morocco. It will be a great pleasure to share this traditional Moroccan coffee, spiced Moroccan coffee with you whenever you come to Morocco. And thank you. I hope you are all healthy and safe. Thank you so much.